Hey guys, this is Royal Allen here to get you started with Quick Simple Missions 1.1. Let's get it going. The first thing that we want to do here is click on up top at the Quick Simple Missions toolbar, and we want to go to Mission Builder. Now the first thing we want to do here is add in the master controller. The master controller basically determines whether or not a mission has been completed successfully, and if so, we'll load a new level either by automatically or by a trigger. So let's say in a level where you have a door that the player must exit through after all the missions are complete, you will put your trigger by the door and the player will enter through the door. So let's get started. After building our master control open world, we can review it here and see that we have a bool option to load level immediately after we complete missions, or load level with a trigger, as I mentioned earlier, with like a door. And then the level you want to load, you can type it into the input field here. But for now, I'm just going to leave this. Okay, now we're going to set up our collect mission controller. So we're going to go to the toolbar again, and we're going to go to Mission Builder and Collectible Mission Controller. Click on that, add that to the scene. Now we're going to click on our mission controller under the hierarchy tab, and we're going to go to it and view its information. Now we're going to see a option here, use notification. We're going to set that to true. I'm going to click on the slot, and I'm going to type in notify, press down and enter. So our information has been selected, and now we're going to type in the mission description for our collect mission. So I'm going to say collect a cube. Now the next information, we need to link this text information to the UI canvas. So we're going to type in collect, and we're going to go down into collect mission text mission information. We're going to select that. Now we need to link how many text do we need on the countdown. So again, I'm going to type in collect, and then now we got our count text, and that's what we want. So we're going to select that, press enter. Now currently, when our player starts the game, we will have none. So I'm going to go ahead and set that to 0. And we have two options here. You can count down from 5 to 0, or you can count from 0 to 5. So the amount that we need here is for counting up. So I am going to need my value to be 1. And with that done, everything's all set up here. Now we need to create the mission item. Okay, so go over to the toolbar, create mission item, and we're going to click on collectible and create mission item. Alright, with this set in the scene, it appears at 000. So now we're going to bring this in, and we're going to double click on that to focus, and we're going to add a child to it. Well, first let's go ahead and scale this up. As you can see here, we have our trigger that the player is going to be triggering. Alright. Now we have an option here to add an audio clip, add a point. We'll go ahead and set this up real quick. Now I'm going to type in pickup. And I'm going to get that selected, press enter. Then we have two bools that we can choose from. Either we're adding up a point or subtracting a point. If we were doing the subtract option, we would be counting down, but for this we're going to be counting up. So hit true on this, and now we need to create a visual object for our player to see. So I'm going to create a child, and I'm going to create a cube. I'm going to go ahead and scale that down here. So now we got our cube in the scene. And next thing we're going to do now is hit play. Alright, now that we hit play, loading our game. And this is the cube we want to collect. Go ahead and press escape and look at our missions. we have collect a cube. Press L to resume the game, and now we're going to collect it. As you can see, we collected our cube, and press escape again to view the mission, and the mission has been completed. And that is how you set up your collect mission.